You've got an insane car design in your brain, but your hand just can't draw it. Your sketch looks wrong. Huge news, 70% of your car's entire look comes down to the side view. If that side view is whack, your whole design is toast. Your genius idea is literally trapped by the drawing part. What's up, car designers? I'm Leandro Trovati, car designer and portfolio strategist, and I'm about to hand you the ultimate shortcut to boost your sketching skills. So buckle up and let's go. Are you sick of struggling with curves and angles that just don't work? It's an absolute nightmare, but guess what? AI is about to become your secret weapon. We're not talking about AI designing for you. No way. We're talking about you using AI the smart way. Today, I'm revealing the AI tools that will make you an unstoppable designer, supercharging your creativity, making things faster than ever, and make your designers explode with coolness, all because of your incredible talent. The big problem: perspective, consistency, and time. Let's be real, perspective in car design is insanely hard. Try to make all your views match that perfect side view, it takes forever. We're talking three huge problems: getting perspective accurate, keeping all your views consistent, and the massive time sink. This is where your amazing ideas go to die. But don't worry, AI can fix this and it won't make your designs look boring and generic. The enhance, not replace philosophy with AI. Super important. AI is your sidekick, not the boss. It crushes those annoying technical problems, makes visualizing your ideas lightning fast, and frees you up to be a creative genius. Think of it like Photoshop. It's a tool. But be warned, if you get lazy and rely on it too much, you end up with a boring, generic design that everyone will call out. We're using AI to check our sketches, create perfect underlays for you to draw over, make changes super quickly, and jump from 2D to 3D like it's nothing. Your skills are what really matter. The strategic AI workflow for car design students. Okay, let's do this. Here's the exactly workflow to use AI like pro, building on your skills. This is all about your vision first, then AI helps you make it real. Step number one, master your side view sketches, the foundation. You have to master your side view sketch. I'm not kidding, this is no negotiable. It all starts with your hand, your brain, your awesome idea. Nail that side view with clean, perfect lines. We're talking pure shape and proportion here. Remember, the side view is 70% of your car's personality. It's your unique stamp on the world. A bad side view, design is dead. Step number two, initial refinement and visualization with Vizcom AI. Make that side view look insane super fast. 2. Vizcom AI. This thing turns your sketches into mind-blowing photorealistic renders in seconds. Upload your clean side view and let Vizcom do its magic on your lines. Boom! Instant feedback on how awesome its stance and proportions are. Make time tweaks, but you are the boss of the AI. Don't let it tell you what to design. This is for seeing your ideas fast, keeping your vision 100% pure. Step number three, preparing for multiple angle views. The prompt is key. Get ready for all the angles and your prompt is everything. Got a killer side view? Now we need more. The tool is ChatGPT. You're gonna write a neutral detailed text prompt describing your car. What type of car is it? What are the coolest features from your side view? What's the vibe? The lighting? This makes your vision crystal clear in words and gives the next AI pinpoint instructions based on your epic design. Step number 4, generating multi-angles video with Kling AI or a similar video AI. Let's lock in those views with video magic. The tool, Kling AI, or any awesome video AI. Take your amazing side view render, upload it to Kling, and throw in that super detailed text prompt you just wrote. We're making a short video like a 10-second 360-degree spin or a slow pan. Video AI is smart. It figures out the 3D shape and Kling gives you the smooth animation showing off your car from every angle. If it's not perfect, tweak that prompt until it's spot on. Step number 5, extracting your key reference image. Turn that video into pure gold. Hit play on that AI video and slam that pause button at the best angles, like the front and rear 3/4 views. Take some sick high quality screenshots. These are your secret weapon underlays. Perfectly perspective, correct the images straight from your brain, making sure every stays consistent. Step number 6, the crucial step. Refine and sketch by hand. This is your authorship. This is the big one. Your skill takes over, supercharged by AI. Use those AI snapshots as your guide. Sketch out the front, rear, and all the other views by hand. Sharpen those lines, nail those details, and make sure every bit matches your original side view. Fix any weird AI stuff. Make it yours. This is where the real learning happens. You use AI reference to understand those crazy perspectives. Then you apply your skills, basically building a 3D model in your head. The payoff, a coherent and professional presentation. And the payoff is huge. First, perfect design coherence. All your views will match your awesome design. Second, your perspective skills will skyrocket. You're actually learning this stuff. Third, insane time saving. Hours and hours back for pure creativity. Fourth, a portfolio that screams pro. You'll show off designs that are creative, technically solid, and look absolutely professional. Mega important, show your whole process, your first sketches, your AI reference, and your final polished work. This proves you're using tools like a boss and know your stuff. Addressing the pitfalls, using AI wisely. Real quick, the dangers. Use AI smartly. Danger number 1 is boring generic design because AI can copy stuff, so always start with your one-of-a-kind idea. The danger number 2 is losing your skills. Don't let AI do all the perspective work. You gotta keep practicing. The danger number 3 is AI taking over. Make sure AI is helping your vision, not controlling it. Your basic skills are non-negotiable. And finally, the uncanny valley. If it looks weird, it is weird. Your expert eyes is what fix that AI jank. The secret, think for yourself and own your creativity. So, you are the designer, AI your supercharged pencil. Listen up, AI tools are not here to steal your job. They are skills boosters for your vision. Using Vizcom, ChatGPT, and Kling AI, all starting with your killer side view sketches, lets you crush those impossible perspectives and make your designs totally consistent. This makes you an even better designer with your unique style leading the charge. Always remember, your sketch first, then AI for seeing it and getting reference. Then your skills make it perfect. Again, you are the designer. AI is just your supercharged pencil. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. So, what AI tools you're completely obsessed with? Let me know in the comments below. If this video just gave you design superpowers, hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and share this with everyone you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!